Hey everybody, wagwan! It's your girl D. Welcome to Daily Vitamin D. Alright, let's get into it. So today I'm gonna be talking about Slickiana. She's a popular Jamaican influencer who was killed and her body was found 2 days ago in the waters in St. James. Everybody loved this girl. I'm not gonna say everybody, but I liked her. I didn't know that much about her, but from what I saw, she was well dressed. She was very popular, very nice, humble girl. Doesn't let anything bother her. She's just nice. The girl just nice and clean. So she used to do promotions. She didn't do her own like a business. It's life of the party. People like her. It's either you like her or you hate her. And when she died, and everybody found out that she dead, is like, oh, R.I.P., you will be missed. Pure flowers, everybody I give. And then now, as the details started to come out now, people start slander her name, her reputation is now being soiled. And she herself with no know say girl is sell her body. And whatever she decides to do with her body, it's for her business. I know, no for only do with man when not even can buy on a bag juice or when hungry. When the old man we can't feed on pitting them, nobody not tell us to stop that. A phone no business that though. So the girl have her money already, and if she decide say she not gonna talk to anybody where don't have money, then who are we to tell her not to? Who are we to tell her to lower her standards? No. But I just can't take all people two-sided, because all of a sudden everybody do love her. Even people from pink wall everywhere, all of the gossip sites them. The same one used to bash her and bright and send her in, and then all of a sudden, sorry for... Yes, we know, say, yeah, we're sorry for her, because, that was just so cruel. Apparently, she was found, I think they strangled her, as the details are coming out, they strangled her with a shoes lace, and then they put a bullet to the back of her head. So, it's just sad all around, because on one hand, everybody afraid. The woman them afraid for walk her road. The woman them afraid for even meet nobody. Right now, the man can't tell no woman say, come meet me, so the woman them a sing on them yard. I see one girl comment and say right now she have to just stay in her house and hide behind her grill and peep through grill like Miss Pearl. It was kind of funny, but also not funny. Because Jamaica is in a sad state right now. Very sad state. The woman them afraid, period. So the story is, apparently Friday she left, or was it Thursday? She took the Knutsford Express bus to the North Coast. And she was apparently there. She went to a restaurant. It was on her stories because, as an influencer, you share everything online. So she went to dinner. Our friend them say, she was last in a blue car. So I met the driver of the blue car for come talk up. So the police have now named Rushane Patterson. So the police has now named him as a person of interest in this case. So apparently in picture is plastered all over social media. Everybody want to find him. Who is this man? Turns out, as I tell you, every day more and more details are coming out. So turns out he might want to scam a boy from Westmoreland. No, not Westmoreland, sorry. From Hanover, he might want to scammer. Or allegedly. And they want him to come in for questioning. They gave him, I think, until 5 p.m. yesterday. But him not reach nowhere yet. The police still up on the hunt. And me say, if you're not guilty, brother, then why you run gone? Why? If you're not guilty, just go in for questioning then if you never have nothing to do with it. Or you may know something. You can be helpful in this case. But I understand saying but enough people now want to mix up with police because of street cred and yada yada yada. But if you're innocent, why not? Mr. Man more famous go in named as person of interest and them carry themselves in and answer and come back out. So anyway, then now this page now go posing. We don't know if it's a real page for Rushane Patterson, but now somebody posing as Rushane Patterson say, JCF, stop calling me name, stop post my picture because it's not me to nothing. So he's telling the police to leave him alone, he's not involved. But other people are say, our man. I said she and him they were dating. So them follow the girl and have an front sugar sell to the man. I don't know, the story it just keeps developing, and then now it just make you wonder woman, we have to really be careful because sometimes you're sleeping with the enemy and you don't even know. You there with a man, you lay down with a man, you even breed for the man, you married to the man, and you don't even know so the man eat like pies, and you don't even know so maybe the man bad mind. Or maybe the man I gonna be your downfall. Maybe people bad mind the man and them get you. As what them say, you can't catch quack or you catch him shot. We don't know what's the real deal here. But hopefully we just have to keep our fingers crossed and hopefully the truth will come out and the rightful killer will be caught. But apparently Rushane Patterson had records before because he was charged in previous cases. I'm going to look and tell you. And he was out on bail and nothing never come out of it. So apparently Rushane Patterson, I think it's 2014, he was charged for murder and rape. So I think if them did kidnap a husband and wife or a man and a woman, kill the man. Oh no, Lord Jesus, my phone. Alright, so this is how it go. In 2014, he went to the court because he had a case going on. Apparently, him kidnapped a couple, man and a woman. The man was in the trunk. The man jumped out of the trunk, trying to escape, and him end up killing him. So him go with the lady now and rape her, and then she get wet too. So after that, while he was going to court, them call him in for coming in for a lineup. Them identify him. But I guess after that, the main witness, she never show up at court. So his attorney was telling the judge, like, listen, you need to just dismiss it because no one prosecute my client and there is no witness. And he also said that, my client is on his way to university. He's an upstanding young man, blah, blah, blah. No such thing. So anyway, him end up get away and been living him life since. But my thing is, if him do such a crime like that, it's just... You know, say a whole heap of killers on the loose, they're walking around freely. And who knows, enough of the missing persons cases, I good them do it. Because if them kill once, trust me, them will kill again. But anyway, I'll try to stay up to date with this and watch what's going on as the case and everything unravels. Alright, take care guys and be safe out there. I'm begging you, please, ladies especially, be safe. If I don't know if everybody forgets to have gun, Wild West settings, knife, I don't know, mace, something. We have to start protect yourself out there. Alright, be safe guys.